the Frack. What the Frack? Stonewash AR RPM 9 with a stonewash steel handle. All right, this one should be on the affordable end of things. I'm gonna have the CJRB Bolt do the honors here with the recoil lock, combining a spine lock and a crossbar lock all in one. Again, links to all these will be in the description and pinned comments. Also gonna go ahead and open this one here while we're at it. Why not? Well, let's take a look. What is the Frack all about? I want to say the Frack came out a little bit ago and that's been in my radars. One of the knives I definitely wanted to check out from CJRB. Zipper pouch here on the unboxing experience, and woo, baby, we're in for a treat. That's looking epic. We have a wiping cloth as far as unboxing goes, but holy macaroni. I saw some pictures on this one. I pictured it being a little bit smaller, but holy macaroni, is it a good chunk of size. Holy smokes. Yeah, the Frack is no joke, ladies and gentlemen. CJRB absolutely outdoing themselves, and it kind of gives me a little bit of the Pyrite back in the days. I know I got the Pyrite and the Pyrite Alt, both with the steel handles, and it kind of gives you a nice little weight to it. I do love the Frack pattern, right? Frack pattern kind of goes hand in hand. It is going to be a plunge lock, button lock, and we're going to have an epic blade in here. We have a deep pocket carry clip that's also reversible, and if you're ready, I'm ready. Bam. Holy smokes, guys. Forget large knife. We're in the extra large territory right now. This thing is wild. Holy macaroni. Yeah, the Frack is not messing around. This thing is insane. I almost can't believe this thing is actually this size. I was not picturing it being this large. And please don't make any funny jokes on that phrase. I realized what I walked into. Yeah, this thing is, wow, absolutely wild. So multiple deployment options here. Spidey flick with the opening hole, thumb deployment. Also, listen to the thwack on the open. Bam. All right, that is nice and solid. Reverse flick as well. The button is actually, you know, proportionally a little bit bigger than usual. Of course, you can use the button to open. Right, talk about the quintessential of a fidgety knife, right? I remember when I started my journey in 2020, halfway through 2022, yeah, I got me some button lock knives, and I was just having the best time in my life. And yeah, they're still out there. They still work really good. Arguably not as strong as a button operated liner lock. Spoiler alert, we are going to be doing the wag test here in just a moment on this bad boy. It is not going to get a free ticket. We're going to put it through the subscribe stick of truth and see how it performs. But action so far on ball bearings, very, very nice. Now, of course, you know, I'm going to sit it down before you all yell at me. The geometry is my kind of sauce. Look at that. Beautiful Warncliffe blade, just what the doctor ordered. That is beautiful. Stonewash finish with a flat grind. We have AR RPM 9 steel, which is proprietary to CJRB. And it kind of gives it the whole monochromatic look that I absolutely love on a knife. The milling just kind of hits it as a home run, and I'm here for it. We have a lanyard hole back here for your lanyard solution, even like the little cutout or mill down section here, giving you better access when deploying the knife. Right, that's obviously where the hole lines up, so that gives you better access to the hole. Oh yeah, that is so good. And ladies and gentlemen, drum roll please. We're looking at almost, actually quite like right there, borderline 9-inch knife, overall length of 4 inches on the blade, 3.5 on the cutting path, and the handle is going to be 5 inches. I mean, that's a crazy recipe. If you got big old bear paws, like the people who are usually in the comment section, Miguel, where the big knives at? Miguel, we want to see the big knives. Where they at? I got you, fam. Look no further. Now, ergos, I mean, come on, hammer grip. We got handle for days. Like, obviously, with my baby size hands, I kind of look like Deadpool when his baby hand was growing after getting chopped off. That's the kind of baby hands I have. Forward choking option right here. This is perfect, right, for your index finger, able to get a better control of this massive blade. And this section here feels pretty good for the thumb. I mean, what a wild geometry. If you haven't picked up one of these, I mean, you are absolutely missing out. It's not like one of the brand newest models from CJRB, but if it's been on your radar or your bucket and you haven't picked one up, I gotta tell you, man, this thing has got me with a smile from ear to ear right now. Pocket clip is very comfortable, as you would expect. This is just the default pocket clip from CJRB. You can easily mount it on the other side. If you're lefty, you would just use your index finger to push the button instead of your thumb, and it still makes it a very nice, great knife to use there, right, as a lefty, so ambidextrous friendly. Well, here we go, right? No time like the present to check out, right, the wag test for what it's worth. So haven't had any issues with CJRBs. I mean, they are one of the companies that have really figured out how to do a good plunge lock, button lock. While I'm here, I might as well just show you we have good milling on the inside for weight reduction. And if they made them solid steel scales, obviously it would be way heavier. So this milling on the inside is absolutely mandatory. And it doesn't feel much heavier than it needs to be. Like I look at the knife and I look at the size and the weight, and it actually feels, relatively speaking, lightweight for the chunk of knife that you have, that you're carrying. So there we go. Finger safe, right? Got my fingers out of the way. I'm just gonna open it casually like you normally would. And a couple whacks here. Again, we did a couple whacks and no issues. Let's go round 2. And no button stick, by the way, especially after, you know, whacking it a few times. And I mean, the ball bearing action is just so good. One more time, thumb deployment here. This time, finger safe. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is safe to say that this plunge lock, button lock passes the whack test for what it's worth. Not that you're gonna be hanging off a cliff with a knife, hanging on for dear life, but maybe that's you out there. You like to live on the edge, but for what it's worth, you know, it survives the whack test. Not that you're really gonna be doing any Mission Impossible sort of mission with your knife. That should be pretty solid for everyday use, and you shouldn't have any issues.